Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm bringing you a haul. I went to Walmart, Target, and Dollar Tree, and I got a couple of things that I'm gonna be using for the fall season. I'm gonna make a couple of crafts, and I want to show you the things that I got and what I'm gonna be making with them. Hopefully I'll be posting those videos soon so you can start your fall decorations early. I'm gonna start with the things from Walmart. I'm planning on doing a couple makeup videos. So I got Halloween makeup and these eyelashes. I think they're really cool. They're all feathery and nice. I also got a wig and it looks pretty cool. Actually, I already tried it. And I have hair color sprays because I want a different look too. Face powder. I bought this burlap. It's a whole roll of burlap because I'm going to be using for a wreath. And this one was on sale and I'm like, oh, I gotta get this one. It's a tabletop display dome. These are awesome. You can always change the decorations inside, and the original price was $12 and they brought it down to $3.50. I actually regret not getting another one because it's a pretty good deal. And now for the dollar, well, let me start with the Target because that's just two items. It's vinyl, glittery vinyl. They were $1 each. So I got black and orange. And I also got from the dollar store, this is a different thing. I got felt. They're selling like different things now at the dollar store, which is pretty cool. So I got things from that new area. I got also this. Hopefully I can do this with the kids. They love helping me with my crafts. So I got a haunted house and a ghost. I also have these 3 arrows, which I forgot to tell you about this at Walmart for that. So I'm gonna make a sign for outside the house. I bought this pumpkin, which I'm gonna change. I mean, it looks nice. I just don't entirely like that it's just like a paper sticker there. I like this. It's actual metal, so it's a pretty cool find. This is something new that I found at the dollar store, and I wanna try to see if it works in the Cricut. So they are metallic markers. I got 4 colors and see how they look like, if they work with the Cricut or not. I'm gonna give it a try right now. And I also got this canvas for my screen printing. It's a different size than the one I have, so I figure I'm gonna give it a try. I'm gonna prep it later. I bought 2 of these. It's a pumpkin and I'm gonna change it up. It's hanging like this. So it has different slots, and I don't know, I think it'll look cute once I change it. I'm gonna try to remove these and paint them. So I got 2 of those, one for Thanksgiving, one for Halloween. I also bought ribbon, and that was so a shame when I got this ribbon. I'll tell you right now why. But this is the ribbons I got. I also bought these nails because I cannot grow my nails, and I don't pay to get them done, so I just buy these, and whenever I get tired, take them off. So I got 3 different colors. For the makeup, I got a black lipstick. That should be interesting. I bought these. I'm gonna probably put them in the restroom with a tea light, and 2 little ghosts to go in between like that. I also bought flowers for the wreath, and for another thing that I'm gonna be doing. I bought this, what is it called? It says it right here. So it's a wreath ring. So that's what I got from dollar store. I also bought these 2 pieces of fabric. I didn't know they sell fabric. They're bringing a bunch of new things, so if you get a chance, stop by. They have really cool things. I'm not getting paid for it, I'm just saying. And this one I bought it, I think it was Family Dollar, or no, 99-cent store. So I'm gonna be making something with this too for Dia de los Muertos. So that's what I got. This is the whole. This is also from the dollar store, so I'm gonna be changing the appearance of this. I think it's a really cool bottle. So they do work. I had to adjust it there because it was not entirely, it doesn't fit the case for the Cricut, which is this. It doesn't fit, it's too thick. So I did a little bit of a trick that I'm gonna be showing you guys later, but this is the first try, this is the second try. As you know, Cricut doesn't really fill in the letters, but I think it's pretty good, and it's a nice color, so I'm gonna try the other ones and see what they look like. So this is what the colors look like. They turn out pretty cool. So, ooh, I think you're too close. I'm close to close. So now go into my embarrassing story. So I don't know if you guys know, I have this back problem that it just, some days it's really bad for me and I cannot bend down or do all these things because it will be in excruciating pain. So I just avoid as much as I can. And there was this ribbon that I've never seen it at the store, this one, and it was really cute. But it was all the way on the bottom and there was no one around, so I'm like, oh, you know what, I'm not gonna get it. But it was so close to the register, so I went to the register. I'm like, hey, you know what, I have this back problem, I cannot do this. You think you can just help me? It's like right here, it's not that far, you can leave your register for a bit. And then the lady is like calling this guy, I think his name was Martin. Martin, this lady has a back problem. Can you come and help her because she needs a ribbon? And I'm like, oh my god, I feel so bad. This guy was like somewhere in the back working. I turned like 20 colors right on the spot. So I was just gonna get one, but I feel so bad. I ended up getting two of the same color. My mess. So it was my trágame tierra, like, please Earth, just come out and eat me. It was so awful. I mean, I know it didn't mean it in a bad way, but like all the people just looked at me like, you're so young, you shouldn't be complaining, you can do this. But I honestly, it was bad. It's one of those days that I wish I would have just kept my mouth shut and not, you know. But I got the ribbon, it's cute. I turned 20 colors and I want to be normal. Anyways, this was the haul. I just had to vent that out because so much has been going on. If you want to know a little more, if you want to have an update, just let me know. But I'm gonna try to be posting videos soon. I've been just getting a bunch of ideas and trying to get them done, but I'm too slow sometimes, so it doesn't all come out at the same time. So hopefully I can do this and show you what I'm doing, all these projects to decorate the house cheaper. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a like, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye guys.